Welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to find available shifts using the Instawork app with the latest and most accurate steps to help you navigate the process quickly and easily. To begin, open the Instawork app on your phone and log in with your registered email and password. Once you're logged in, make sure your profile is fully completed. Instawork requires your profile to include your name, a profile photo, your location, your job preferences, any relevant work experience, and sometimes documentation, such as certifications or licenses depending on the role you're applying for. Next, from the main screen, tap on the Open Shifts tab located in the bottom navigation bar. This is where all currently available shifts that match your profile will be listed. If your profile is not fully approved yet, you may not see many or any shifts, so it's important to complete and verify your profile first. Once you're in the Open Shifts section, you can use the filter icon in the top right corner to narrow down your search. You can filter by distance, pay rate, position type, and days available. This helps you quickly find shifts that align with your schedule and preferences. Tap on any shift that looks interesting to open its full details. You'll see information like the location, employer, exact start and end time, hourly rate, dress code, and any specific requirements. If you meet all the listed requirements and are available for the time slot, tap the Book or Request button at the bottom of the screen. Finally, make sure to enable push notifications for the Instawork app, so you'll be notified when new shifts that match your qualifications become available. Checking the app regularly also increases your chances of grabbing high-demand shifts before they get booked. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.